Welcome to this tutorial where we'll explore how to add a service that automatically generates on your invoice once selected. To begin, let's first add a product. Navigate to Products and click on Add Product. Let's name this service Air Filter, include a description, and select the category, which is parts. You can also input the item code, brand name, supplier details, and the quantity in stock. Maintaining accurate stock levels is essential for inventory management. Set a minimum quantity alert to receive notifications when stock levels are low, ensuring timely restocking. Next, specify the retail price at which you'll sell the product and your cost price. Ensure to mark it as tax-free, as businesses typically do not pay tax until the product is sold to the customer. This setting keeps your cost accurate and helps in managing stock effectively. Add any relevant comments and click Save. Now that the product is added, let's proceed to add a service. Enter the title, for example, Air Filter Service, and select the recently added Air Filter product. Set the quantity as 1 per vehicle and click Save. When creating an invoice, select the customer, choose the customer's vehicle, and then click on Add Invoice. The service Air Filter will automatically appear in the list of available services. You can adjust the description, price, quantity, apply discounts if applicable, and add tax details. The system calculates the total amount, in this case $21.55. Once everything looks good, click Save to generate the invoice. You can print the invoice for customers or send it via SMS or email. Customers can view the invoice through the link provided and proceed with payment. Once paid, the status of the invoice will be updated accordingly.